Okay, so I'm gonna sing the one I gave my heart to by Aaliyah. Hope you like it. How could the one I gave my heart to break my heart so bad? How could the one who made me happy make me feel so sad? Won't somebody tell me so I can understand? If you love me, how could you hurt me like that? How could the one I gave my world to throw my world away? How could the one who said I love you say the things you say? How could the one I was so true to just tell me lies? How could the one I gave my heart to go and break this heart of mine? Tell me, how could you be so cold to me when I gave you everything? All my love, all I had inside. How could you just walk out the door? How could you not love me anymore? I thought we had forever. I can't understand. How could the one I shared my dreams with take my dreams from me? How could the one that brought such pleasure bring such misery? How won't somebody tell me? Somebody tell me, please, if you love me. How could you do that to me?